I'm gonna make a brand new start of it. In old New York, and if I can make it there, I'm gonna make it anyway. It's up to you, New York, New York.